Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Lift the enclosure lid and inspect all corners under substrate and inside hides. Use a low-angle flashlight so heat-shy snakes show contrast and keep the room dark to reduce hiding. Once done, open every nearby cabinet and appliance. Washers, dryers, and ovens can be tempting tight spaces. Make sure to move slowly and listen. Ball pythons freeze when stressed, so sound and subtle movement often reveal their location before they move. Now transition to a methodical sweep. Divide the space into 3 zones and clear one zone at a time to avoid rechecking. Remove cushions, tilt furniture slightly, and peer into shadowed gaps with a flashlight. Snakes tuck into narrow vertical spaces. Use gloves and a towel or snake hook to coax the animal out, never probe blindly. If you find warm spots, pause and watch. Ball pythons often linger near heat sources, so patience pays off here. When you locate the snake, gently coax it into a secure hide and place it in a warm, quiet area to reduce stress. Offer no sudden handling. If you still haven't found it, seal all exits and inspect HVAC ducts, crawl spaces, and behind electrical devices. Snakes use heat and dark cavities. If nothing turns up in 24 hours, expand outreach. Call local vets, pet stores, and reptile rescue groups and post clear photos and your location. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.